As you get stronger with this exercise, it's going to be more difficult to get the weight into starting position, so you may need to use your knee to kick that dumbbell up near your shoulder before you begin the shoulder press. Because we're using a backrest, you're going to notice you're a little bit stronger with this exercise and may be able to press a little bit heavier weight because you are pressing into that seat versus doing a standing or a seated shoulder press with no backrest. With your feet firmly planted on the floor and your abs engaged, you're going to press the weight overhead. You can have your elbows slightly in front of your shoulders or straight out to the side. Oftentimes people with history of shoulder pain do better with their elbows slightly in front of their shoulders. Important part with this exercise is that you're not arching your low back extremely to get that weight overhead. You want to keep those abs engaged so that you're not hurting your low back. Oftentimes I'll hear clients complain their low back hurts the next day, and that could have been a sign that they're arching too much. Going over all the steps again, press your feet into the floor, really engage your core, not sticking out your rib cage or arching your low back, and you're going to be pressing the weight over your head, bringing each rep down to your shoulder, and then when you're done, lower the dumbbells down to your legs.